This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To enable or disable microphone access, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy, Search and Services. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Permissions. Then you want to click on All Permissions. And then right down here, Microphone. You want to click on Microphone. Right up top here, it gives you a drop down. You could click that drop down. You could select the microphone that you want to use. Down below that, Default Behavior. Ask before accessing. If this is toggled on, you're allowing microphone access. If it is toggled on, you're blocking microphone access. That is how to enable or disable microphone access in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.